Morning, Uncle. Caught iron's up early today.
The old boy likes the cool air.
So do I. Fields are ready. Shall we start?
Aye. Let's give the sun something to shine on.
She's holding up, huh?
More than holding up. Listen to her breathe.
Those welds could tell stories.
Every crack's a chapter.
We tighten a bolt, feed her a little oil, and she keeps plowing.
Just like us, Uncle.
Tomorrow, we start the west field.
With her, easy.
Easy now, Cotton. Head low. Good boy.
老白挺 true. Keep steady, uncle.
Steady it is. You hear that, engine ham? She's happy.
Look at him go. Fields will ready before the sun's high.
And the season will be kind. I can feel it.
Easy, Caught Iron. Steady on the slope. You feel that sun too, huh? We'll be over the rise soon.
Keep its left leg loose, Mai. Let her swing. Don't fight it.
Got it. Good boy. Just a bit higher. There you go.
Sun's brutal today, but that breeze on top's worth it.
เก็บจะกลองแล้วทำไมฉันสดใจก็ทันต้องเพิ่มกับเพลงของน้องเงิน
Easy there, Caught Iron. Good footing.
He walks steadier than the real buffalo ever did.
That's because we built him to.
Hold the sacks, lifting.
Got it. Steady. There.
It's like a charm.
You hear that, boy? Mai says you're a charm.
Tomorrow we plant the north paddies.
Think he can...
Right leg waking up.
Feels smoother than yesterday.
That's the new seal we carved. Hold steady.
She hears you, niece.
Hear that, Mai? Field's still thirsty. We'll give it one more pass tomorrow.
Caught Iron won't complain. He loves stomping in the mud more than the real buffaloes ever did.
And he doesn't eat half as much. Just weld him a new hoof now and then.
Still, he walks like he's proud.
Nothing like warm water when you're cooked through.
You should have let it cool in the shade first.
Shade don't reach inside a throat, girl.
Still, yours is half gone already.
Means we're halfway rested.
Caught Iron sounds more tired than us.
Let him breathe. He earned it.
You're
Kind today. Ready?
Born ready, uncle.
All right, Caught Iron. Let's plow.
Take it easy, big guy.
Smooth as fish in water.
He's getting better with age, like you.
Ha! Don't jinx me.
Look at that load. We're almost
We
done.
drove him half the season. It's your harvest, too.
Feels like the field.
As long as Caught Iron keeps moving, we can turn this whole field today.
She'll keep. We built her stout.
Hear those gears? She likes the mud.
So do we. Rice will thank us come harvest.